In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create clipping mask effects in Canva step by step. If you've ever seen text filled with images or photos perfectly shaped inside custom designs and wondered how to do that, the secret is using Canva's built-in frames feature. The best part is it's incredibly easy, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to insert images or videos into shapes, adjust them perfectly, and create professional-looking designs in minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design or open an existing project where you want to add the clipping mask effect. Once you're inside the Canva editor, go to the left-hand menu and click on Elements. This is where all the shapes, graphics, and design components are located. Now scroll down inside the Elements panel until you find the section labeled Frames. Frames are Canva's built-in clipping masks. They allow you to place images or videos inside specific shapes automatically. If you don't immediately see the frame section, you can also type frames into the search bar at the top of the Elements panel to find them quickly. Once you're in the frame section, you'll see a variety of different shapes. There are basic shapes like circles, squares, and rectangles, but you'll also find more creative options like letters, numbers, abstract shapes, and even decorative frames. Choose the shape you want to use and click on it to add it to your canvas. After adding the frame to your design, you can resize it just like any other element in Canva. Click and drag the corners to adjust the size and position it anywhere you like on your canvas. Now here's where the clipping mask effect happens. Go to the Uploads tab if you want to use your own image, or go to Photos to choose from Canva's library. Once you've selected the image or video you want to use, simply drag it directly over the frame on your canvas. As soon as you hover over the frame, you'll see it highlight. Release your mouse, and the image will automatically snap inside the shape. That's it. You've just created a clipping mask effect in Canva. To adjust the positioning of the image inside the frame, double-click on the frame. This allows you to move the image around within the shape. You can drag it to reposition, zoom in or out to adjust the crop, and make sure the most important parts of the image are visible. When you're happy with the placement, just click outside the frame to apply the changes. You can also experiment with layering multiple frames, adding text on top, or combining frames with backgrounds to create more dynamic designs. For example, try placing a circular image frame over a contrasting background color for a clean social media post. Or use letter frames to create image-filled typography for thumbnails, presentations, or marketing materials. If you want to replace the image later, simply drag a new image on top of the existing frame, and Canva will automatically swap it out while keeping the same shape and size. This makes it incredibly efficient when testing different visuals in your design. Clipping masks using frames are perfect for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, posters, and even video projects inside Canva. And because this feature is built directly into Canva, there's no need for advanced tools like Photoshop. So to quickly recap, go to Elements, find Frames, choose your shape, add it to your canvas, drag an image or video into the frame, and double-click to adjust the crop. Simple, clean, and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.